All right, I'm gonna take the nail foil glue. I am starting out with a structured manicure. If you want to figure out how to do that, I do have a video on my channel. I'll make sure to link it below as well. So taking this foil glue and evenly putting it all over the nail. I like to give it a second to kind of settle before I cure it. I am just taking your chrome powder, the one that's kind of like the pinky purple kind, and I'm gonna just buff this in. I like to just rub it in with my fingers after. Make sure I got it all nice and in there. And then I'm gonna finish curing that. Let's repeat the process. This is a super easy design, but I think it's pretty impactful with that foil glue and adding that chrome. It's a nice twist on the cow nails. Again, just applying a nice thin layer. And I'm gonna give it a second before I go into the lamp. Applying that chrome powder. I love this one because it is a little bit more glittery than some of the other ones. Okay, gonna rub that in, get anything extra off, and I'm going to give that a full cure. So this is what we are working with. You can top coat this before going in with this. You could be playing roulette here if you don't like a placement. So I'm just saying, plan wisely. Which means I have no plan. And I'm just going to do a random cow print. I also love adding some dots. The thumb, I obviously can add more because there's more space, but I really want the chrome to stick out here, so I'm not going to add too many different pieces. Time to top coat these bad boys. And I'm doing glossy because of all her glory. Okay, now you can wipe all of that chrome powder away. The best part, here are these little cuties. I love them so much. Like, it's just this holographic from the chrome powder is just something else. I will make sure to link everything below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.